So, nusipirkome obuolių. Nusipirkome obuolių. We bought apples. And se shows that we bought apples for ourselves. For us. We don't know, did we buy a lot of apples or just few? Maybe we didn't buy a lot. If we want to say that, let's buy a lot of apples, we say pripirkime obuolių. Pripirkime obuolių. Pri shows that we are going to buy a lot of them. Pripirkime obuolių. And pripirkime obuolių means that we will buy apples. Maybe for everybody, for other people as well. Because I didn't use the reflexive si. And if we use it, if we say prisipirkime obuolių, prisipirkime obuolių, it means let's buy a lot of apples for us, for ourselves. So prisipirkime obuolių, let's buy a lot of apples for us. So prisipirkti, to buy a lot for ourselves. Pripirkti, to buy a lot for, I don't know for whom. Just maybe for somebody or for everybody. Pirkti, pripirkti, prisipirkti. And now we have a prefix su. Prefix su. We learned the prefix nu, the prefix pri, and now we're going to the prefix su. Su. If you know what means the prefix su, it means it will come from everywhere. It will come to one place. So, supirkti, it's to buy. I am buying, and everybody can sell. Or I'm going to each shop and I am just buying everything. Or not everything, but everything. For example, superku obuolius. Aš superku obuolius. Supirkti obuolius, it means to buy apples. So people can bring apples and I'm buying from them. Or if I go to each shop and I buy all apples from each shop, I'm superku. Of course, we can make a reflexive form of supirkti. Susipirkti. If I need a lot of stuff for something, for example, I want to learn how to fix cars. First, I want to learn from books. So what I do? Aš susiperku knygas, susiperku visą literatūrą. Susiperku knygas, susiperku visą reikiamą literatūrą. I buy books, I buy all needed literature. Or if I want to fix my house, susiperku įrankius ir visą, ko reikia remontui. I buy all instruments and I buy everything what is needed for this fixing a house. So susiperku. From one place, another, from all places where I can find everything what I need, all instruments from one shop, and materials from another shop. Susiperku or superku. Superku or susiperku. If it's for myself, it's si susiperku. I think it's becoming more and more clear. And we have prefix iš, išpirkti. Išpirkti, to buy everything. I'm coming to the shop and I say, oh, it's a hot day, I need a watermelon. Norėčiau nusipirkti arbūzą. I would like to buy a watermelon. Norėčiau nusipirkti arbūzą. I go to the shop. Einu į parduotuvę. I go to the shop. And I ask. Klausiu. I ask. Klausiu. Ar turite arbūzų? Do you have watermelons? And they say, atsiprašom, arbūzai išpirkti. We are sorry, but watermelons, they are all not sold, but bought. Išpirkti. Išparduoti, it would be all sold. Išpirkti, all already bought. People bought, all of them. Išpirkti, all bought. Obuoliai išpirkti. Obuoliai išpirkti, apples are sold. Actually, literally, it's bought, not sold. Išpirkti. Išpirkti. Išpirkti, it's to buy everything, or if somebody is kidnapped, I pay for his freedom. So it's the same word, išpirkti. Išpirkti. And we have the word atpirkti. Atpirkti, if I broke a cup, I say, aš atpirksiu. Aš atpirksiu. Like, I will buy another one, or similar to this one. Atpirkti. To replace, to buy for replacement. Atpirkti. The prefix už, užpirkti, we don't use it so often. I think užpirkti, it's again to buy quite a lot. Pripirkti, it's like to buy a lot, and užpirkti, that it would be enough for everyone, for everybody. Some people use the prefix da. Actually, we don't have the prefix da in Lithuanian language. It came from the Russian language, but we say dapirkti, dapirkti, and it's not correct. Maybe it would be nice to make it correct, because it's quite useful prefix da, but it's Russian prefix, and we don't have it in Lithuanian language, but we still use it. Dapirkti, it means to buy something more. Nupirkti daugiau, not dapirkti. Nupirkti dar. Nupirkti papildomai. Nupirkti daugiau, to buy more. Nupirkti dar, to buy more. Nupirkti papildomai, to buy additional. Papildomai, additionally, papildomai. So this is all about pirkti, pirkti. Actually, I was teaching about pirkti, but because you wanted to hear it again, so I made this lesson for you to be sure how to use these all forms of the verb pirkti. Ačiū, kad žiūrit mano kanalą. Thank you for watching my channel. Please share, like, comment, subscribe. And when you subscribe, just press that bell to get all notifications. And iki kito karto. Iki.